All right, everyone. Now that concludes all the Excel charts that I'm going to show you how to make and then put in Excel. So I'm going to open up the next slide here. And on this slide, it's named Market Trend Table. In this one, I'm going to show you how to make a self-created table right in PowerPoint. Okay, so now let's get started. You'll see here in this text box here, we have some options of things to add into our PowerPoint slide, like pictures, Smart Art Graphic, Cameo. But in the bottom here, the bottom middle, you'll see Insert Table. I'm going to click on that. Then a little pop-up comes up asking us how many columns we want and how many rows. And this will vary, of course, based on whatever data you have. So based off the data that I chose, I need 4 columns and 4 rows. So I'm going to select accordingly and then press OK. So now you'll see that by default, we get a green table here in PowerPoint. So I want to resize it a bit and then also move it down just to look a little bit better. And the next thing I want to do is I want to change the color of it to keep the theme going that we've been using for this whole PowerPoint presentation, like the colors you see in the combo chart and also the waterfall chart. So I'm going to select the slide, go up to table design, and you'll see here in the table styles group, I can click this little drop down for table styles. And the table style that I want is right here, medium style 2, accent 3, which is pretty close to the color blue I've been using. So now with it resized the right way and also the right color, I want to add data into it. And I have data already ready to put inside this table in my Excel file. So I'm going to open up the Excel file and you'll see here I have pre-selected data from the data set here that I used for the combo chart with slicers in a previous video. This data I picked 3 major airlines in the United States and picked out their average ticket price for the years 2023, 2024, 2025. I picked this data because I thought it'd be an insightful piece of this whole data set to highlight in one slide. So to put it into PowerPoint, I want to highlight the data, just the data, and then do Control C on my keyboard to copy it. And then head back to the PowerPoint file. So then I can click the top left box in the row and do Control V to paste it onto the slide. And you'll see the numbers come up in a format that is not so pretty. So with it still already highlighted, I'm going to go to the Home tab. And in the font section, I want to change it, make it a little bit bigger. Maybe I'll do 14. And then also in the paragraph group, I want to change the alignment to center. Now I'm happy with that, but I want the title row to at least be a little bit different than the rest of it. So I'm going to make the font a little bit bigger, up to 24, and then change the color to white. So also in the font tab here, I can find this little drop down arrow here for the theme color, and I'm going to choose white. So now that I'm happy with how this table came out, I want to give it a good title. I'm going to put a title right above it. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to the Insert tab. And you'll see here in the text group, there's text box. I'm going to select on that so then I can click and drag above this table and then type in a good title for it. I'm just going to type in average ticket prices. I'm going to type in average ticket prices. And then I can move this to center it maybe a little bit better. And then also to make it a little more prominent, maybe give it a bold. There we go. So now that I'm happy with the table and I gave it a title, time to add the source. I'm going to type in source : highlight this, make it that color blue we've been using. And I have my citation right here in the Excel file. So I'm going to click on it, do Control C, back to PowerPoint, and then paste it right in. And of course, again, you want to make sure your citation meets the criteria given by your professor. And that's it. That's a self-created table right inside of PowerPoint.